让我 rap 的唱，打开着听，海里的光是我自己。
Hello, we are
Next time, MC1.
We're so excited to be a part of the 2026 Asia Top Music Festival, presented by Hong Long Bank and co-organized by Jokes and QQ Music.
很高兴能够参加由 Hong Band 呈现 Jukes 和 QQ 音乐联合举办的2016 Asia Top Music Festival。
this summer come and enjoy the beat with us.
这个夏天和我们一起 enjoy the beat。
Join us on May 30 to 31 at the Serpong International Circuit in Malaysia.
5月30日到5月31日就在马来西亚 International Circuit。
让我们在音乐里尽情狂欢吧
Let's celebrate and party to the music. See you there.